we are in the airport, and on the way to the airplane I found a pretty interesting thing. So it's like a small farm or something, and I'm not pretty good in birds, but I think it's like a falcons or eagles. I think they use them just to scare the regular birds in the vicinity of the airport.
Heading 135, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
It's another day, and let's keep it simple. 2.5 hours and we're in Greece. Let's go! A good thing, but not need fuel. We have just landed in Mykonos. It was pretty interesting. It was 24 knots, gusting 32 knots. And again, changes in our plans. There are no parking available in Mykonos, so we have to fly ferry to Athens and stay 2 nights over there. Not bad, but it's not an island. Take 2. Welcome to Greece.
Welcome to Greece.
Kalispera.
It's afternoon, so it's better, right?
Yep. So our plans have changed a couple of times. So we have overnight in Athens. 2 nights
2 nights. I only have 1 night,
for now.
but for sure we're not flying tomorrow. And what does that mean?
I saw Piaggio Avanti over there. I'm just curious who's buying that flying cucumber.
It's like multipla of airplanes.
Yeah.
That's the part that we're missing.
Bon appetit.
Thank you. Too.
And that's the second thing I don't like, paperwork.
Yeah.
And I saw only one guy who likes papers like at all, like completely.
I can introduce you to another one.
Really?
Yep.
I forgot to tell you. I just read that Mykonos is one of the most favorite places for gay tourism. Did you know about it?
No.
I read it.
No. Yeah, I don't really care.
I read it in Wikipedia. Like they go over there.
They also go to Tel Aviv and I love Tel Aviv.
They go to Tel Aviv? Really?
I mean, I don't mind as long as they don't, like, touch me.
Yeah, as long as they don't interfere in the personal
Yeah.
space. Yeah. So it's good to do in Athens, because like I just wouldn't like to go tomorrow to the beach and see them, doing stuff or holding the hands or kissing or something, because it makes me sick.
Sure, but like even if they do it like with each other, it's okay. I mean, like,
Yeah, but-
it doesn't
but-
bother me. I have a lot of gay friends.
Yeah, but
And,
yeah, you're from Europe.
they're actually funny.
Yeah, I have a colleague. She's a girl flying as co-pilot. She's from Spain, so that's our favorite topic when we're flying during the night and you want to sleep. I just bring up the subject, and this drives her nuts. She starts to, why you don't understand that they are normal people, blah blah blah. So I just keep bringing up the
Bullshit.
subject. Yeah. And in 5 minutes, and you don't want to sleep anymore.
Runway 135, runway 23 clear for takeoff.